Right now. Good evening to all. So, right now. So, let us discuss about that ray diagrams on concave mirror. See, ray diagrams, ray diagrams on concave mirror. Ray diagrams on concave mirror. That means by using these ray diagrams, we have to know about that position of the image and the position of the image, size of the image, like that, characteristics of image. Okay, right. Now, case 1. uh, Case 1, when object is placed at infinity. Placed at infinity. That means when object is placed at infinity, what is the position of the image? We need to find that. Okay, done. When object is placed at infinity. So see, concave mirror. This is the principal axis. Okay, principal axis, and this is the pole. Let us take center of curvature, pole and center of curvature between focus point. This one. Okay, this is the focus point. So object is placed at infinity means light rays coming from infinity object. That means those are the parallel rays. So let us take first parallel ray. We know that after reflection it is passing through the focus point. And let us take one more parallel ray, parallel to principal axis. After reflection it is also passing through the focus point. Okay, so after reflection these two rays meet at the focus point. That means the image is formed at here. Okay, now let us write characteristics of that image. Characteristics of that image. So characteristics. Characteristics of image formed. Okay, first one, where it is formed. So it is formed at F. Image is formed at F. That means at a focus point. Right. Next one. Size of the image. It is point sized or diminished image. Point sized or highly diminished image. Highly diminished image. Okay, right. Third point. Inverted image. And fourth point, real image. So when object is placed at infinity, image is formed at TFO and it is point sized or highly diminished and inverted image and real image. This is the case one. Okay, right. Let us go to next one. When object is placed beyond the center of curvature, placed beyond C means beyond center of curvature. That is the, let us take case 2, let us discuss. Okay, so when object is placed beyond the center of curvature, let us draw. Object is placed beyond the center of, that means center of curvature. So this is the concave mirror as usual. Concave mirror. So this is the principal axis, let us take, and pole, center of curvature, focus point. Okay, center of curvature and focus point. When object is placed beyond C, so let us take object is placed beyond C. This is the taken as object. This is the object we consider. So first ray, parallel ray. So we know that after reflection, parallel ray, that means passing through the focus point, reflector. Okay, let us take one more ray. So which is passing through the focus point. We know the rules. When light ray is passing through the focus point, after reflection, it is parallel to the principal axis. See, if ray is parallel to the principal axis, then reflected ray is passing through the focus point. If incident ray is passing through the focus point and the reflected ray is parallel to the principal axis. So let us take these two reflected rays meet at this point. So at this point we get the image. Okay. At this point, that means this is the top point, this is the top point. So obviously if we can take the light ray like this, it will be reflected back along the same path. That's why definitely this bottom place should be here. That's why this is the image position. Okay, done. So if we can draw properly, by using the scale, if you can draw properly by using the scale, so you can get like this. So here the image is formed. Okay, now this is the image. This is the image. Clear? Now the characteristics of image we can write. So image is formed. Now where is the image is formed? Image is formed between C and F. Formed between center of curvature and focus point. Next, diminished image. It is not point size. It is diminished. Diminished means when compared to the size of the object, it is less. That means the size will be decreasing. That's why such type of images are called diminished image. Diminished image. Understand? Diminished image. So obviously it is the inverted image and it is the real image. Okay, inverted and real characteristics are same. Clear? Right. Next one more. Let us go to third case. Okay. When object is placed beyond center of curvature. Now let us take when object is placed at the center of curvature. So an object is placed at center of curvature, exactly center of curvature. Okay, right. Let us draw one more diagram. So let us take this is the concave mirror. Okay, principal axis, pole, center of curvature, focus point. Okay, center of curvature and focus point. Okay, see. So when object is placed at exactly center of curvature. So let us take exactly center of curvature object is placed. First ray should be taken as parallel ray. We know that after reflection it is passing through the focus point. Clear. Let us take one more ray. The ray which is passing through the focus point. After reflection it is parallel to the principal axis like this. Clear. Now the image is formed here. This is the image formed here. If you can observe that exactly inverted. So see characteristics of image. Image is formed at where? Exactly at the center of curvature only. Exactly at the center of curvature. So image is formed at C only, at the center of curvature. And if you can observe that this size both are equal. If you can take the by using the scale, if you can draw properly, you can get both the sizes are same. That's why same size as object, same size of image, same size as the top object, same size as the top object. So obviously inverted image and real image. Clear? Inverted image and real image. Then understand when object is placed at infinity, you get the image is formed at F. Object is placed beyond center of curvature, image is found between center of curvature and the focus point. An object is placed at exactly center of curvature, understand exactly center of curvature, you get the image is formed also exactly at center of curvature. And the remaining three more cases are there. Next one, when object is placed between C and F, understand? Then where should we get the image? Let us discuss later. An object is placed at exactly F, and the characteristics of image we can discuss. When object is placed between F and P, then what happened? That means the characteristics of image is what? Okay. In next class we are discussing those three cases. Clear? Right now. See, once again see when object is placed at C, object position, image position. See what we discussed, object position and the image position. So let us write now. Object position and the image position. So by using these three diagrams, we conclude that one thing. Object position, and it is the image position. No. When object is placed at object is placed at infinity. at infinity. Object is placed at infinity. Where the image is formed? Image is formed exactly at the focus point. Okay, right. Next, object position is beyond center of curvature. Beyond center of curvature. Image is formed between center of curvature and focus point. Next, third one, object is placed at center of curvature exactly. Image is formed at center of curvature only. Image is formed at the center of curvature only. Clear? No. In all these cases, so here real and inverted only formed. Real and inverted. Clear? Real and inverted. Here also real and inverted image. And here also real and inverted image. Real and inverted image. That means concave mirror forms real and inverted images. Okay, real and inverted images in all cases till now. So in next class we are discussing about that object is placed between C and F, at F, and between F and pole. Okay, done. Okay, right, ma. Thank you.